Why do animals do what they do? Why do they do it in that certain way? How do they do something that appears extraordinary? Is there any pattern in their behavior? How much similar are they to us? How can we predict their behavior? What can we learn from them? Can we read their mind? These and similar questions are in prime focus of ethology, the scientific study of animal behavior. And to answer such questions, one needs to measure behavior. But how do you measure behavior? Ethologists do it by collecting data on whatever signal they can get from the animals, like their movements, or the sounds they make, or the odor they produce. By meticulously recording each movement of certain body parts, like their limbs or facial features, ethologists read the body language of animals. In the early years, ethologists collected and analyzed data manually. Making manual observation is very important to understand animals, and so it is very relevant even today. However, like any other modern field of research, ethology also embraced modern technologies for fast and reliable data collection and analysis. In the last few years, the tremendous advancement in computational tools, especially computer vision, artificial intelligence, and data science, began the very exciting and new era of computational ethology. By harnessing the brute force of modern computation, ethologists now can collect and analyze vast amount of data for a really long time in a fully automated and incredibly fast and accurate manner.
In this course, we are going to teach you how to read the body language of animals by using modern computational tools like computer vision, artificial intelligence, and data science. To be specific, students will work on a semester-long project divided into 2 mini-projects and 1 final project. They will learn how to frame questions on animal behavior, transform those questions into a scientific hypothesis, and test the hypothesis by extracting quantitative behavioral data from videos. All of this will be done by using free and open access programs and software.
Yes, it's all completely online. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, an animal to watch. This could be your pet, some neighborhood creatures, yourself, maybe members of your family, and a video recording device such as a smartphone, and a few good questions that you are interested in asking. That's it.
Before every class, students will receive the course material for that particular class so that they can try their hands with the materials before coming to the class. So, instead of listening to a boring lecture, they can utilize the class time with the instructor more for discussion on the projects and understand the critical concepts. The possibility of an automated, long-term and quantitative monitoring of animals, be it a pet or an animal in a zoo or in farm, lab or in the wild, is going to revolutionize the field of ethology. However, quantitative data on behavior and movement are crucial for several other fields like neurobiology, medicine and pharmacology, sports and performing arts, and learning new motor skills. And eventually, a better understanding of behavior of human and other animals will hopefully drive us towards a better future of us, other animals, and the beautiful planet we are sharing.
Hi, I'm Venki.
I'm Souvik.
I am Dom.
And we are offering computational ethology in LS 100. See you in the virtual classroom.